Hey everyone, once again, it's been a while, I haven't posted a video, so I was thinking I'm going to introduce this very nice piece I just received from the post. That's my latest acquisition for the Geo AES. So let's open that up and see what's inside. Just gonna cut that one here. Yeah, I hope you don't mind. My son is actually bringing some atmosphere as well. Like, it spices up the whole thing. And he approves Daddy's choice. So, there we go. Very nicely packed. Et voila, ladies and gentlemen, as you can guess, this is a highly sought after Geo AES game. And yep, that's a very clean copy of Breakers AES. So, wow, this is just pretty amazing. It's a versus fighting game that was launched by Visco in 1996, featuring different characters. It's a very, I would say, like Street Fighter-like kind of versus fighting game, and very rare actually for the Geo AES. It was only released mainly for the MVS, and I had been looking for it for quite some time now. I must say I was really looking for a clean copy, and this one is quite beautiful, as you can see. I mean, the spine, the front. Yeah, the spine is really clean as well. It has some nice. Yeah, I mean the logo. You know, the logo of the spine. The kanji is just very beautiful, very impactful, especially on a white background like this. Front is of course quite emblematic, and yeah, it's very clean. There's just one thing to say is about the back. It's unfaded a little bit here, but apart from that, the game itself is really clean. Instruction manual. Yeah, beautiful piece. You can even see the crisp quality of the paper, which has hardly been opened by previous users. Yeah, I'm just like very satisfied with this game that I had been hunting down for quite some time, and yeah, I can't wait to play it, to put it on the shelf, obviously. I'll be taking special care and attention about it, and probably posting a little review, a mini review, if you might be interested. So yeah, let's just take a look at the cart while we're at it. This is going to be my 90th Geo game for the collection, so this is the cart. Very nice condition. Sticker is clean. It has not been torn or opened or damaged or tampered with. The PCBs look clean. Actually, this game seems like it hasn't been played, so it's pretty much flawless. I'm really satisfied. The condition is really close to mint, I would say. Just has some very slight, I don't know if you can see the little blemishes right here, but it's hardly perceptible, so that's pretty okay. The boy confirms as well. And yeah, I thank the seller who allowed me to acquire this beautiful piece and rare piece. I believe he had his reasons to part with it because it's not a game that you'll be seeing every day, and can't wait to play it and share some impressions and screenshots with you for this game. It's yeah, really satisfied. I hope you liked this video. It's you know, nothing special, just showing my love for the Neo Geo AES, and especially this special moment in acquiring this piece, which I had been looking for quite some time now. And yeah, just super happy to share this with you, and yeah, looking forward to sharing some other games as well. Don't hesitate to like the video, to subscribe to the content, to the channel if you like it. I'm not really posting videos every week, but you know, I just kind of like doing it when I can. And long live the Neo Geo. Take care of you, your families, especially now in this quarantine period with COVID-19, which is really obvious. And I guess it's like worldwide, so it's really complicated. But we have a good reason to stay inside, to enjoy our games, enjoy our passion. So take care, all of you out there, and looking forward to seeing you soon.